Hello everyone, I'm Kelly, an operator from Shenzhen Guangyang Zhongpang Technology Limited Company, responsible for daily product operation planning. Now let me introduce our company's product and service to you.
Next, we will provide a detailed introduction to our factory and products. Please watch the following video. Our company was established in 2013 and has 11 years of experience in foreign trade export. We export a wide range of hydrogen products, including hydrogen inhalation machine, hydrogen oxygen inhalation machine, hydrogen water bottle, hydrogen spray, whole house hydrogen water machine, and other products. As a foreign trade company that integrates industry and trade, there are many benefits for customers, such as stable supply chain, high win service and market competitiveness, support OEM ODM service, low minimal order quantity, having an experienced and professional elite foreign trade team, provide high-quality after-sales service, product certificate with professional testing certifications, such as CE, FCC, PSE Act,